Welcome! In this video we will learn the Bagatelle number 25 in A minor, also known as Für Elise by Ludwig van Beethoven. Let me play the first 8 measures for you. So this piece is in A minor and we have the time signature 3/8. And we have also poco moto, which means a little movement or motion, so we don't want to play this piece too slow or too fast. Now we start with an upbeat, so don't start with an accent on the first note, it's not. But think more of an upbeat, so 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, again, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And also we have here only the tonic, which is established in the third movement, so we know this is in A minor, and then we have the dominant E major, which then resolves back to A minor. And the same. So it's always tonic and then dominant, tonic, dominant, tonic, dominant. So one more time, we play the melody. And remember always to phrase this with a little diminuendo at the end of every phrase, okay? And now we have the second part of this first part, which starts on measure 9. And then we go back to our first part. So here we are in C major, so it's a bit of a surprise. This is the parallel key of A minor to the dominant to G major, and then back to A minor, so the dominant of C major. Okay? But this is kind of we go down in, first we start on G, and then this is a 7th, and again a 7th, but minor, first minor 7th, and here major 7th, but we go down, so from first position, second, and then the third time, so it's so here we don't have any dynamic suggestions, but I would start this part maybe a little louder and then decrease, so make a little diminuendo every time. And here I would make a little ritenuto, so and here also, I know this E is actually in the left hand, but I think it's easier to play it in the right hand, so you don't have to do this, because it's easier to play twice with your thumb of the right hand. So let me do this measure again. So here, remember to place your 5th finger then after you play the E with your right hand, so that you don't come late here. Okay? So let's play it one more time. And here you can do this, or you can play it all the time with the right hand. This is of course up to you. And then we go back to our first 8 measures. And then we repeat this part. So this was for the first part of the piece. So now let's look at the B part. Back in our main theme, our A part. So here in this B part we start with a cadence, C major 7, and here we establish F major as our new key center, so we also switch the mood from this A minor to F major. This is more happy. Up to here we have the melody. The left hand plays only broken chords. So try to play this softly, and the right hand has the melody. So here just be careful of the phrasing so that you end every phrase with a diminuendo. Okay, let's play with both hands. So here, yeah, again. No accent on the D. And here also no accent on the A. Now we have this quite fast passage in the right hand. So what is important here is to play very, very light, so not heavy. Very light, and also no accent on the upper note. Try to think this in one motion, and this just, and not this is too heavy, because this has to be played very fast. So and here I use 1, 2, 5, 4, and here 1 on the A, on the F, sorry, and then 3, 2, 5, 4, 2, and then I am back with the C on the first finger. Okay, and here we have this syncopatic rhythm. So we have a slur, but on every 2 notes, which gives us a kind of uncertainty about what is going on next. Okay, so this was for the B part, and then the A part comes back. So the A part is basically the same as in the beginning, and we can skip this. Let's just play the last 2 measures, and then I will play you the C part. So back in our main theme, the A part. So here the left hand starts in this C part with repetitive notes. I play everything with second finger, but you can use either second or maybe third finger, or you can play 3-2-1. This is of course up to you. And now let's play with both hands. So, and what you can hear is that the right hand is more important because tension and release is always created here with the right hand. The left hand just plays all the time repetitive notes. So the left hand should be more quiet than the right hand. Again, let's play 1. And here also I resolve because tension and then release. And then we have the second phrase. And basically the same. Here just when you have two notes always, the upper one should be louder than the lower one. Okay, so. And here also dominant, resolving. So no accent, not like this. Okay? And here I have kind of a little breathe. So I breathe here because we are switching from A all the time to B flat, sorry. So now we are not A minor but B flat major, okay? So kind of a little hope in this passage. So let's play again from here. And the hope disappears. Okay, so B flat major, and here also to E flat, okay? And here, so we are here in diminished, and back to A minor, dominant, and here first note is quarter note, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we start pianissimo the triplets. Okay, so now from the triplets we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 times the same measure, but we go on in octaves. Okay, so let's play this slower. I play here 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 5. And here I have the fingering 5 on E, D, C, B, and then B flat, 4th finger, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 4, 3 on B, and G sharp 4. Okay, and the left hand just plays 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and here just be careful to release the E so that your finger can switch to the A. This is the most difficult part. And then you go on chromatically. Okay, so let's do this one more time, a little slower. And here also is important the transition from triplets to normal 8 notes. Okay, so let's do this from the last 2 measures from the triplets. Okay, so it's important not to go on with triplets because then you start to play too fast. Okay, so and then the A part comes back and the A part is the same, just the last chord in the, not chord but you end with an octave in the left hand. So this was my tutorial on the piece called Für Elise by Ludwig van Beethoven. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.